Through a fascinating experiment with artificial intelligence, I uncovered untapped opportunities and looming threats that could revolutionize or topple businesses. The astounding result, a saving of over $100,000 in just 1 year. My deep dive into AI not only slashed business expenses, but also inspired my latest book, The Wolf is at the Door: How to Survive and Thrive in an AI-Driven World. I even have a free chapter from my new book below to help set you up for success in 2024. But first, let's break down how I used AI to save over $100,000 in my business. The first and biggest savings kicked off in marketing and using AI to help me refine my focus. The pandemic forced me to downsize my business, leaving a void where a capable marketing manager once resided. Instead of filling this role, I leaned into AI and categorized the areas which I could use it to save and make the most money. This included email marketing, content production, and decision making. The first area was to analyze video and email content to better understand what moved the needle in generating leads and sales, and which topics best appeal to my target audience based on 12 months worth of content. This process included prompting ChatGPT to analyze the top videos I produced the year prior, then writing email campaigns to drive more traffic to them. From here, I prompted the AI to map out a series of emails that drove further engagement and used it to come up with countless email subject line variations to increase email open and click-through rates, which had a direct impact on sales and profit margins. As with any marketing campaigns, there's a level of testing and measuring. Here you're shrinking the learning curve by leveraging and optimizing what you already have. ChatGPT can highlight the attributes of what is and what isn't working for you, telling you precisely where to optimize in your business. Where it became a huge time saver was to leverage AI to create summaries of my new podcast series, saving hours generating timestamps, transcriptions, and identifying marketing-worthy content. On top of uploading long-form video content to AI to edit hundreds of YouTube shorts in minutes and provide captions. However, there is something that you don't want to do. Do not ask AI to mimic someone else's writing or marketing style. Why? It completely destroys your own personal brand. You see, if AI can do your job better, faster, and cheaper than you can, if you mimic others' work, you void yourself of all of the other factors that make you stand out. You also give clients and a boss a reason to use AI over you, especially considering that AI reduces the friction in obtaining information. It's now easier for a client or a boss to ask AI directly and completely bypass the need for you. That's why in my new book, I cover the top 10 threats and rules to help you navigate this new era we're living in. But before you download your free chapter to help prepare you for the new year, here's the second way I used it to help me save tens of thousands of dollars. I used it as a full-time editor, not just for my marketing collateral, but for my new book. Traditionally, writing a new book means hiring full-time editors and researchers, but not this time. Thanks to Perplexity AI, a diligent research partner, I could delve into academic papers, interact with their contents, and pinpoint exact answers needed, saving weeks of research and tens of thousands of dollars. But here's where I didn't use it: to write the book itself. As it stands, we can't copyright AI-generated images, writing, or video according to a ruling by the US Copyright Office. This is something that many businesses are completely overlooking. If you actively use AI in your actual products, you have no legal protection if someone decides to use that content and repackage it. Copyright exists to protect your revenue streams. If you're leveraging generative AI tools for any aspect of your content or product creation, be it the cover art for a product, the backdrop for your video, or anything else, it is immensely beneficial to infuse as much human creativity into the process as you can. For example, I had to write my book in a way that isn't easily duplicated by AI, by including twists and turns and unexpected surprises. This wasn't just to afford copyright protection. It is also to combat the fact that AI-generated content is flooding our social media spaces. And more important now than ever before, you must produce content that stands out against a tsunami of new information. And if you provide information-based products to clients, you must also be able to demonstrate clearly why they should use you versus using AI, which may be cheaper and faster than what you'll ever be. The third but not last way I used AI to save money was to use it to curtail my attorney fees. But this comes with caution. I used ChatGPT acting as an immigration attorney and a contract lawyer to answer pressing questions. Remember, when dealing with AI in legal matters, always prompt the AI to show its work and provide citations and legal references for validation. However, the most astonishing way AI saved me a significant amount of money was entirely unexpected, and it left me dumbfounded. My miniature rescue Yorkie Mitch was facing digestive issues. After spending well over $1,000 on vet bills, we were still puzzled about the cause. But the moment I uploaded his most recent blood work into an AI tool and then ran a hypothetical diagnostic scenario, the issue was pinpointed. And here's where you need to listen closely. More people and businesses are vulnerable to being replaced by AI than what is realized. As you can see from the examples I've shared, it saved me well over $100,000, but it fully replaced an editor and a marketing manager while partially replacing an attorney and a veterinarian. No one is out of reach. Equip yourself now by understanding the problems and possibilities, and download your free chapter from The Wolf is at the Door so you can navigate your way to success in an AI-driven world.